Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 733 Honda Civic Custom. This casting is by Hot Wheels and is part of the Japan historic set. Uh, Obviously it's a premium and we expect some better details here. If you don't know about premium, they have better detail, rubber tires, metal base, better paint compared to a mainline or Silver Series. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 73 Honda Civic Custom out of its box, and it looks really good in this paint. It's like a maroon shade and looks really good. I'm going to start from the front. So in the front you've got some nice details. As you can see, you've got detailed headlamp, detailed grille with those turn indicators, and you've got those amber fog lamps, aftermarket ones, which look really good. Bumper again is modified. You can see it's not your standard bumper. Looks nice. You got single rear view mirror on the driver's side, and you've also got both the windshield wipers, and there's also a tint on the windshield, which is very synonymous with old GTM cars. They used to have this. Trim around the windshield also looks good. The vents on the hood is again painted, which again looks good. Now also from the front you can see the wheel arches are slightly flared, suggesting it's a custom vehicle or modified vehicle. Moving to the driver's side now. So on the driver's side, there are a lot of good details. As you can see, the turn indicators detail. You got those nice rubber tires with those multi-spoke wheels, which again look good. There is a badge here. I'm not sure what it is. I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see it. So I'm not sure what that is, but it is there. Now, there's also the trim around the window, which is again detail. It's nice to have. And if you look closely, you can also see the racing seats inside. You can also see a spoiler. So let's move to the back now. On the back, you can see a lift kit mounted spoiler. Trim around the rear window is also detailed. You got detailed tail lamp with those, looks like a rear fog. Honda written on the hood rather than Honda badge. You got Civic badge, and you also got trim for the license plate holder. I would say on both the sides. A big exhaust at the bottom of the black bumper. So a lot of good details here. Even the spoiler is also finished in black. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference I see is the fuel filler here, and this is how it looks from the top. This how it looks from the bottom. Metal base, obviously. Overall, I think it's a nice looking casting, and if I'm not wrong, Hot Wheels has a mainline version of this custom Civic, but it's obviously not as detailed as this one. Should you get one? Well, I think you should. It looks really nice. It's nicely detailed and will go really good with all the other Civics, if you should already have, I guess. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.